We're gonna take a short walk to the plaza in Naga City. It is Camarines Sur in Bicol. Ah, wait, check this out. That's a statue. Huh, interesting. Let's go read about it. Most of the statues are so old. And it's usually like a colonial-era or something. Ah, this is George Barrion. As you can see over there. George Barrion. But that's the statue over there. Huh. George Barrion, 1850. Huh. He's an old guy. Let's read here. For the glory of God, for the love of Our Lady of Peñafrancia, to honor the first Filipino bishop, most revered, George Imperium Barrion, the plaza is redeveloped through the efforts of the local government unit in the Pilgrim City of Naga. No, okay. Well, that's nice. It's always nice to see statues and stuff. But check out the back of me. An old building. Show you. I don't know what this one is, but it's abandoned. I bet this was a beautiful building at some point. Now it's going to ruins. Okay, but let's take a walk. I want to go to the plaza. It is quite nice to see the plaza. It's always beautiful. Also a big statue there that we can read about. I don't know what it's for, but yeah, we can see. Okay, let's just get out of this traffic jam that we're in. Let's see. Difficult to walk here because everybody just parks like they want and they just won't do their thing. Ah, found a way. Nice little stores here, you can buy stuff. How are you, sir?
Bye.
You know, it's a known fact that the Bicolanos are the most friendly in the Philippines. Now this is Naga. I think this is the Centro. They call it Centro. How are you, man? Okay. We won't cross the road and enter to the plaza. Okay, it's this way. People here just walk as they want, but I'm not gonna do that. I won't go to the plaza. Okay, let's cross the road. Okay, we are in the plaza. See, the good thing is how they keep it clean, but the rain, I see the rain kind of takes over here. Many things. Children playing. So I don't know what the statues are here for. But yeah. So this is the plaza. Bunch of names. So I don't know what it's for. The Filipino eagle. It's there. Ah, yeah, it's right here. Ah, there's the Filipino eagle. Right there. Okay guys, I'm sorry, I cannot read this. I don't know what stands there. Maybe if there's a Filipino they can read it. But I can't. Hey, how are you, Kuya? Good, eh? Okay. So yeah, let's take a walk further. Let's go down to Philippines National Bank. Jollibee. Very strange city, actually. Let's cross the road here. See what happens. Oh, I think it's under construction. I think there's a plaza that used to be there, but it's not anymore. Jollibee. Yeah, guys, there's not much to see here. Just your own shops, which I'm not gonna enter. Maybe it's best to just head on out, go back. That's right. Yeah, guys, this is the centro of Naga City. It's nothing big, but Naga is a big city. This is just a centro. It's got a lot of suburbs to it. Sound contradiction is very high here. Very high here. You walk in here, you're gonna see your arse. See a jeepney, see Diaz. Let's wait for those people. Let's take a walk quick. How are you, sir? How are you, man? Wangian sounds. I guess that's where you buy on your speakers. Yo, this is dangerous. There seems to be like a nicer area. I don't know what's happening here. San Francisco, barangay of San Francisco. So this is San Francisco of the Philippines. Yeah, that's quite funny. San Francisco. San Francisco of the Philippines. Interesting. Okay, let's see what happens. What did it hit? Ah, this is a nice area. Must be careful. I think this is a hotel. Yeah, it's a nice one. Cozy stays away. The Isabel Hotel. Very nice. Very nice. I guess this was a nice house at some point. Now it's abandoned. I wonder what happened. Interesting. Yeah, I wonder if you have to buy this. I think there's a lot of work you're gonna have to put into it to renovate it. But yeah, guys, let's continue our journey. There's another one. A lot of abandoned places I see. Interesting. Well, any case, it is what it is. Just have to be careful when you walk here. Hi, Tita.
Hello.
So yeah, let's go up here. This is the San Francisco of the Philippines. Barangay San Francisco. Okay, it's strange how you walk in the city, then you get this type of province vibe, and then you get a normal, a city vibe. It happens everywhere. Oh, let's see. I just want to find a sorry store. Let's see. This is a foundation hospital. Interesting. Oh. Hi. Pretty much all the same. There are vehicles that transfer the money, but it's all the same. Maybe perhaps I can take a walk through there, and then I can come all the way back. Because the plaza that we saw is right over there. So let's just wait for the cars. Maybe then take a walk. Okay. I don't know what street we are in now, but we're gonna check it out in any case. Your dog is beautiful. Very nice. That's one of the best things for me to see when people can take care of their dogs. It makes it so much better, It makes the heart feel good. Okay, let's see. Coffee cakes. I've got no idea what's a coffee cake. I think that's an eatery. Interesting. If you walk in the city, you wouldn't expect to find spots like this. And that's where the province vibes come from. Huh. 300 years. I don't know if it's 300 years old, but yeah, I think it's old. Solid waste. That's not for me. Hey, Kaiki. Hey, Kaiki. They don't cat. Yeah, I don't know what happens here, but that's a mess. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Oh, the anchors. We don't find them anywhere anymore. Okay, I'm gonna continue with this street. I'm gonna go down, and then from here on out, we can see. I'll probably end the video soon, and I'll go to the province. Yeah, I just wanted to show everybody Naga City. I think it's still progressing, but it's not a bad one. It's busy, but it is different than the province. Let's take a walk in here. See, I walk on the sidewalk, but sometimes you can't because everybody just parks in it and puts stuff on it. Like this, finding an empty yacht. You wouldn't expect us to be in the city. Hey, this is what I don't understand. Hey, yo, Ido. Hey, Ido. Ido. Come, Ido. Hey. Yeah, see, guys, if I had money, I would have taken this dog. I would have given it a nice home. I would have taken care of it. This is something I don't enjoy about the Philippines, is seeing all the animals. It is quite sad. But you kind of get used to it. But for me, it's a very sad thing to see. Yeah. Hey, Buffy. Hey, yo, Winky. Okay, we did walk through here. This is like a scooter empire. All of them walking here. Jeez, I wonder how many scooters are here. Not even sure what happens there. Alright, let's just wait for the people. Okay, let's carry on. Let's go in here. So yeah, guys, we've seen what we wanted to see. So I would say this is probably the end. We can do another walkout. But for now, this is gonna be it. All I can say is thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, share it, and thank you all. Say ciao.